If your tailgate ever sticks on you trying to open it up on your Ram 1500, it's a 2018, here's the trick to fixing that. I know it's easier to do when it's open, but I just want to show you what I finally figured out. I used an inspection cam, and I saw that this spring right here has this metal piece right here that is holding that in place, and for whatever reason the handle wouldn't unlatch that. So I got this, this is a camping stake for a tent, and I just pushed down on it, and when I did, it popped it open, and I was able to pull up my my tailgate. So there you go. So hopefully anybody else that has that problem, chances are that's what's causing it right there, and all you got to do is just get in there and push it back, and then that pops right open just like that. Well, there's your problem right there. That sucker's bent and it's going above that. That's why it wasn't working. It has to hit that striker. Alright, now that I've bent that piece down, that upper piece, right, that's right behind it, see it moving right there, the horizontal piece moving, it wasn't touching it before, it was bent above it for whatever reason. So now, when that's locked, you pull the handle and it unpops it, which is how it's supposed to work.